Hey you guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. It's Naughty Knots here, and thank you for returning. If you already subscribed, if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Today's look is just going to be a little played up look on the gray lip. A wearable look for girls with caramel skin, wearing gray lipstick with like blue undertones. This look could go for blue lipstick, black lipstick, because it's not very, the eye is more subtle, but it's still, you know, it's still pop. Alright, bye.